All right, so they're asking us to determine whether the ordered pair is a solution of the linear inequality. This is pretty straightforward. You just need to take the inequality that they gave you, and here they give you y is greater than x minus 1, and you need to substitute where you have x and y, you need to substitute in the values that they gave us here in this ordered pair. So we're going to substitute in 0 for x and 1 for y, and we're going to resolve this and see what we get. We get 1 is greater than negative 1, and that is a solution because it works. It's a true statement. So we can say, yes, the ordered pair is a solution to the inequality. Now you can just simply write yes. That's fine with me. Okay. And now we're going to do it here. We see that we have now a bit of a more complex inequality, but that's fine. We're just going to do the same thing. I'm going to rewrite the inequality here. 3y is greater than 5x minus 12. And then wherever I see x and y, I'm going to put parentheses and I'm going to sub them in. This should be all very familiar to you, and you did IXLs on this, and it should be pretty easy and straightforward. So what do they give us for y? They give us 1 for y. What do they give us for x? They give us negative 6. So we need to resolve this. And 3 times 1 is 3. 3 is greater than negative 30 minus 12. And 3 is greater than negative 42. That's also true. So what I can do then is simply, I can simply say, yes, this is a, copy and paste this. Yes, this is a solution. This ordered pair is a solution to the inequality. And again, you can just write yes, or you can just write no. I'm going to give this a little check mark to show that it worked. Yeah, that's it. As long as it works.